Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will actually be recording my sounds on my computer, which they are quite weird. First up is this sound, which I think is quite good, so let me try to replicate it. Ready? Let me start recording in 3, 2, 1. It's a nice day we're having. Okay, hopefully that sounds right, because this is what the sound sounds like for me. Honestly, that one you guys just heard, I couldn't hear because I just put it in when I'm editing. So yeah, this is another one though.
It's a nice day we're having. It's
Okay.
a nice day we're having.
Oh gosh.
It's a nice day.
Oh no, too many. It's a nice day we're having. So basically that was the first one I had. However, if I click on music, this is the new one. It's a nice day we're having. That sounds quite much, I would say, out of 10, I rate this 7.5. So anyways, next. So also guys, I just use my doc finder the whole time, but this video is not sponsored by it, so just, if you want, you can use it. Next.
Fresh!
Oh gosh!
Get your fresh air now. Definitely not contaminated with loads of bacteria.
This is an ad
and
I
soon
tried
enough,
making.
you'll be
I tried
enjoying
making
that
an ad.
air. That fresh.
I tried making an ad, yet it broke. Like, it's too loud. Way too loud. Gosh, that feels like that air. Fresh. Ooh. Sorry guys that it was way too loud. But I need to put down the desktop audio for you a bit. There. So now it won't be blasting in your ears as much.
Air that you can eat. Hey Dan, try eating some of that air. Ooh, I see Dan loves that air. Ooh. Dan, have another gulp of air. Wow, he really loves that air.
Yes, he does. You can hear it in the background, which in fact, I have a video file of that air. And if I can, I'll try to show it to you guys in this video. So, next.
Air, now sold separately inside of stores. Only $99.99 per box. Air, we're here to help you survive on planet Earth.
Gosh. Oh my. Well. Wait, what's this? Oh! Jeez. That was way too loud. Way too loud. Sorry if I spoke like a girl. Ew. But anyways, guys, that's it for this video. And if you guys want anything else, just leave a comment on this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Yeah. So guys, now I will actually be showing you how this other recording is, because I did promise you guys that I would show you this at the end of the video. So yeah, I hope you enjoy the fresh ad, the fresh air. Fresh and clean air, now in stores for all your needs. But can you please eat the air now, Dan? See, he enjoyed that. Can you please eat some more? He is really enjoying that fresh, pure air. Hey, look at that. He's eating so much of it. He loves it. Air includes bacteria, infections that could damage you permanently. So enjoy and hope you don't get a disease.